Hello folks, today we're going to talk about 3 website scares. So the first website scare that I wanted to discuss is if your website gets hacked. Since we're a WordPress shop here at J29 Creative, let's stick to the realm of WordPress. So one of the tricky things about WordPress is your theme and your plugins and the website itself has to be frequently maintained and updated. One of the biggest mistakes people make is they go for the cheapest hosting they can find. Well, hosting that's around $5 to $10 a month. But the problem is when you go with these cheap hosting, it's not really designed for WordPress. So what happens is you're sharing your space, your parking space, with others. So there's a lot of website on one server. So what happens is if one website gets hacked or gets a virus, your website does too. So that is not a very smart setup. So what we recommend here at J29 Creative is going with a managed WordPress hosting service. This way is they actually take care of all the updates, all the maintenance of keeping your plugins updated and security of your website. And be sure to have an SSL certificate so that it is secure. Also with managed WordPress, it's designed for WordPress. So these folks know if you do get hacked, they have a backup copy and they can get you back going very quickly. So the key thing is go with a managed WordPress service. Number 2, many times we talk to business owners and they have no clue how to log in to the back end of their website or have administrative access. So that makes me question, do you really own your website? So when you're signing up for a website company, make sure you own the website, not the agency. Make sure you have ownership, so if you ever quit the agency or whoever created your website, you can move it to the hosting of your choice and be able to access the database and also the administrative side of the website so you can update content, change the look and feel of the website because you ultimately own the website if you pay thousands of dollars for it. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, you know what's my biggest website scare? It's building a website without a game plan. Would you step on the basketball court or the football field without a strategy on how to play? You have to know what your ultimate ROI or your goal is with the website. Is it just a billboard? Is it a place where people can learn about your services? Or are you trying to convert leads? Those are things you as the business owner have to answer before even putting a plan together to design or build a website. And at the end of the day, whoever you're working with, your website professional, they should have interest in helping you and consulting you on designing and building your website instead of just making your website pretty. Because pretty websites don't do anything for you. It doesn't give you an ROI. So make sure you have a game plan and ultimately you want a website you can grow with. So if you're looking at platforms like Scariest or Wix, the sad thing is you're limited. So once you're outgrew that website, you have to probably find another platform and build another website. But with WordPress, you're able to scale and you're able to build out your website and allow it to do more than you initially built it for. So make sure you design your website correctly. Those are our 3 website scares, and please comment below, follow our YouTube page, like our social media platforms, and thank you.